What if the reason you overthink every text, replay every conversation, and always put everyone else first isn't because you're too emotional? What if it's because you've been surviving instead of healing? If you're looking for Her Healing Spoke First by Nora Blake, you're in the right place. The complete ebook is available in the description. Most women don't realize that healing doesn't begin when someone apologizes. It begins the moment you stop abandoning yourself to keep everyone else comfortable. This book explores why so many women struggle with overthinking, people-pleasing, emotional exhaustion, and the constant need for reassurance. It asks a simple question: what if you've spent your whole life listening to everyone else's voice, but never your own? Imagine no longer analyzing every message, no longer wondering if you're too much, no longer carrying the weight of relationships that only survive because you keep sacrificing yourself. Instead, imagine waking up with peace, setting boundaries without guilt, choosing yourself without feeling selfish. That's the journey this book invites you to begin.